Hello, you little cat. Oh, hello, cat. How are you? You are a nice little cat. Meow. Oh, you're a good little cat, aren't you? Where are oh here? Okay. This is a cat. Okay. What do you think it? I can hear the cat purring. Okay. No, wait. No, let me make a video of the cat, please. Okay. People, today is the 1st of December 2022. That means we're on Christmas month, and we're on month 12. And guess what? Guess what? Okay. Guess what? We walked one Sawtry, and we saw a Christmas tree with lights next to a house. And next thing I saw, I just saw a cat on the street. I just saw a black cat on the street. And
goodbye.
And I feel happy to see a cat. Hello, cat.
Yeah, let's go. Say goodbye.
You little cat. Hello, cat. Oh.
Goodbye. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah, I like to have a pet cat.
Yeah.
Okay, people, please leave a comment below what do you think of the cat I saw in the street. Press like you like this video, and press another pressing the bell button. You don't miss what video I post. Press make sure people press the subscribe. Okay, people, make sure press the subscribe button on Erica Goth channel every single day, and Erica wants 1,000 million subscribers. Make sure to do it every single day. Please get it in your mind, people. Okay?
Goodbye.
Okay.
Let's go.
No, wait. Oh, just. Oh, look.
Goodbye.
Hello, Catty, Mackie. Hello.
The cat is going. Goodbye.
Wait. Hello, cat. Okay. People, thank you to watching a video. Okay, people on YouTube watching Erica Goth channel and videos. Thank you to watching a nice lobby video about Sophia Goth. I saw the cat on the street on Sawtry where I live. Okay. Goodbye, people. So long, farewell. Make sure to understand me what I said. Okay. Just get it in your mind. Goodbye. So long, farewell. Goodbye. Bye.